Joseph, we haven't chatted for a while, so let's give us the context for the Zambian market. Where's it been in the last couple of months to the end of last year and early this year?
Yes, good morning. Actually, it's raining heavily here. But as you're aware, the local currency, the kwacha, has now been rebased, and consequently, all the share prices were rebased at the beginning of the year. The first 14 trading days of the year has seen the Lutse All-Share Index down 3.65%. It closed yesterday at 3,589, up 20.5 points. The best performers this year having been the banking stocks, which is a complete reversal on last year. I think investors there have been piling in on the beaten stocks and snapping up the banking stocks, which look quite undervalued at current prices. For example, the Zambian National Commercial Bank is up 5.6%, closing at 0.19, and Stanchart is up 5%, closing yesterday at 0.84. Other notable gainers this year are Copperbelt Energy Corporation, up 4.4%, and Zambis, a favorite of foreign funds, up 3.3% so far this year.
I see that the manufacturing sector is down in the sense that its contribution to GDP has reduced from 11.5% of GDP to 10.7%. That's not good news. I mean, an economy like Zambia would like to grow that manufacturing sector.
Yeah, it's not good news at all. I mean, that's even reflected in the share prices. I mean, the worst performers this year, we have Zambia Sugar and Metal Fabricators of Zambia, Zamefa, which are down 12% and 10% respectively. For Zambia Sugar, I think it's mostly technical, as it's been trading in a tight range between 0.2 and 0.3 since May 2011, and it's now closer to the lower range. In Zamefa's case, the decline is a continuation from last year, and I feel investors are still not happy with the financial results last year and are voting with their feet.
I see also Lusaka, where you're obviously based, a $500 million municipal bond for Lusaka. And what's the context for that? Is this a new step for the Lusaka City Council? To what extent are bonds like this in the past being issued?
Well, following the successful 10-year, 750 million euro bond last September, we've seen an announcement from the Lusaka City Council that they plan to issue a $500 million municipal bond to fund new housing. Details are still a bit sketchy, but the council has advertised for a financial advisor and a book runner on this deal. It is believed that this will be followed soon by Solwezi, a mining town with First Quantum and Barrick gold mines, and also Livingstone, the tourist hub of Zambia. And these bonds would make Zambia only the third country in sub-Saharan Africa to issue them, others being Nigeria and, of course, South Africa. And with the startling popularity of the 2012 Euro bond, which is yielding just above 5%, this could be something international investors would be interested in, as I'm sure you are.
Yeah, I was going to say, whenever there's a new bond market or a new bond in a market that has been quiet, obviously investors would be interested, as opposed to South Africa, where there are many opportunities there have been for bonds. Making it easier to invest on the stock exchange, and again, our experience in South Africa, we have our Altex, our alternative exchange, which makes it much easier for small companies which don't have big governance departments and lots of capacity to do all the bureaucracy and so on, making it much easier for small companies to list. And apparently this is now happening in Lusaka. Is it going to work?
Yeah, I believe so. I mean, this year we may see more companies coming onto the market. The government has indicated that it may bring some state-owned enterprises on the market. Names that are mentioned are government-owned utility companies, ZESCO, and some other media entities. ZESCO, of course, would be the largest IPO on the Zambian market, so it's something that is exciting the market. My company, InterMarket, is also in the process of bringing to the market an engineering firm, and we're pretty excited about this, as this would be the first time a company in this sector would be quoted on the local board. So, as they say, watch this space.